This is the elevator at 591 Stewart Avenue, Garden City. Since we have a pretty nice motor, it's a high hydraulic and it's really slow. The other set on the other building on the same like there's the same setup. Like there's two buildings linked to this one parking garage. Those got modded. If a mod ever comes around to this, it's gonna look like the other ones, 590. And this one's almost the same height, but this one's hydraulic. And one elevator? Are you kidding me? Let's see if they would have had a provision for a second one based on this. It's almost here. Okay. This one does have the side panels as well. Tipped over. Just doors. Champion elevator. Beautiful. Okay, listen to the motor. Nice motor. It's got a Janus phone. Your buttons. Oh, tall that panel is. 3,000 pounds. Interesting lanterns they got here. This thing's really slow on the way down. They should have made this traction, but the motor makes up for it. Hopefully there's no calls. Listen to startup. Nice, and there's door. Wow. There it goes, and dang, the doors are. Alright, that's it.